Hello! Today I'll be doing a Belle makeup. So first is to moisturize your skin. I'm gonna do first my eyebrows. I'm gonna use an eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna fix this with concealer. I'll be back. Next is eyeshadow. Wait, let me see some pictures. It's pink. I don't have pink eyeshadows. I usually have this like new colors, and my pinks are shiny. I think I'm gonna use the blush one as an eyeshadow. Can't you see me? I'm gonna use my blush as an eyeshadow. It's not visible. I'm gonna use a darker one. This one. I have another blush. So I put an eyeliner. It's not visible, but it's there. I'm just gonna put, what is this? Eyeliner pencil. Next is powder foundation. Next is the blush. Yeah. Am I recording? I'm gonna put the mascara and the falsies, so I'll be back. So now we're gonna paint the details with acrylic paint, red acrylic paint, some nail art brush, and my trusted palette. So my phone died. So this is the final look. I've already applied some lipstick and lip gloss to make it look shiny. And I've also dressed up. It's so cute, I love it.